All right, everyone, so this is the X5 45E, the hybrid one that we ceramic coated with the DIY Detail ceramic coating. It's back for its first wash just to double check on how the coating has cured. As you can see, it's still glossy, super shiny. Actually looks amazing. It's starting to drizzle a bit. It's fine. I don't think it's gonna rain at all after this today, but just look at the gloss. So we're just gonna, like I said, do a quick wash, see how the coating has cured. Also, he did leave it in his garage, and we'll see how everything looks. He drives it pretty much just once in a while. So this should be very, very easy. And I will top it with ceramic gloss just to give it more gloss and more shine. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and get started with this. And I will show you guys real quick the water beading. All right, so let me just go ahead and show you guys real quick the water beading and sheeting. So I didn't put it on the glass up here, but down here. Super fast. So I like to do this just to check on how the coating has cured. And it's sheeting and beading like crazy, even on the windshield. Looks nice. So check the hood. Bead up the hood. And let's check out the water beads. Very, 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 very nice. So yeah, so I'm just gonna wash the whole vehicle, and that's about it. Nothing else to this really. We'll probably just do a quick little rinseless wash, and that way we could be done with this pretty quickly, because like I said, he left it in his garage for literally 2 weeks. So this is like the most ideal thing to do once you get a coating for its maximum durability. But yeah, so looks amazing. So I'm gonna put you guys down and we'll get started with the wash. Guys, in closer. So these are the rims, and the beading looks very, very nice. And then this is again on the paint. How quick it runs off and sheets off. Act like it's raining. There it is. So yeah. All right, everyone, so we just did the rinseless wash on this whole half. You guys obviously saw me wet it. So let me show you guys on the paint. 0 scratches, right? So just a quick rinseless wash. And we're using ceramic gloss. I'm gonna show you guys over here on this side. And I'll do it on the hood. And let me just lift up the hood right up here, or not the hood, the tripod, and then I will do it on the hood. And that's about it. So I'll do a voiceover because there's a lot of people making noise. So what you want to do is just pre-treat the panel. I'll pre-treat this half as well, just so I could go ahead and finish with this rinseless wash. Grab your rinseless wash sponge, it's practically dripping. Just go in straight lines, no pressure. Flip it over, and you're done with one half of the hood. Dunk it in and come back and do the other half. And it's pretty simple, no pressure. Flip it over. Then I'll do the headlights. I'll go grab my second rinseless wash sponge just to let it drag all that dirt down to the bottom. And then I'll do the bottom half. And once I'm done with this, I'll show you guys using it with ceramic gloss, that way to add some protection and extra gloss and a sacrificial layer. Is it needed? No, it's not needed, but we want to add that sacrificial layer for the winter time. These are my two drying towels. This one's from DIY Detail, and this one is from the rag company, the Liquidator. Go ahead, do about 4 sprays on the hood. Flip this over. This is my initial wiping with the ceramic gloss. Go in straight lines. Use it as a drying aid to minimize scratching, swirling, and all that other stuff. And go ahead and buff off with the other dry towel in straight lines, no pressure. Because I already showed you on the other side, and 0 scratches. So yeah, let me just bring you guys in so I can show you guys that there's 0 scratches on the hood. We can move on from here, and we'll continue the rest of the rinseless wash. Once everything's done, I'll show you the final result. So pretty much what we're doing here is just applying ceramic gloss onto the wheels to add as a sacrificial layer on top of that ceramic coating. That way the ceramic coating could last a lot longer on the wheels. And then once we're done with that, we just wipe down the tire and just apply the DIY Detail tire dressing. And yes, I apply it on. It looks wet, but I let it absorb into the tire. That way it's able to last a lot longer than if you were just to wipe down the excess. Alright everyone, so hopefully you guys can hear me through my microphone, but here is the vehicle completely. It's done. The tire dressing is seeping into the rubber. Came out nice and clean with the rinseless wash, and again, like always, 0 scratches with the rinseless wash. So just to show you guys a different angle. Came out nice, clean, scratch free. And again, it didn't go anywhere for 2 weeks, so it is what it is on that point. But nice and glossy. We added the ceramic gloss on top of the ceramic coating, so now it's pretty much fortified. You guys saw me use ceramic gloss as a drying aid. Now since I used it as a drying aid, now it'll probably last like 2 months, maybe 3 months on the paint. But the good thing about it is that With that being said, that it's garage kept, it's going to last more than 3 months for sure. And just look at the gloss, look how shiny it is. So hopefully you guys enjoy this type of content. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And this was just a follow-up on the ceramic coating from DIY Details. And you guys saw the hydrophobics on how it sheets off and beads off water. I want the sun to pop out, but it's not popping out. But it is what it is. So yeah, so I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.